Ralph, you've had the DIVER program for a couple of years now. It's a very popular program, but now it's even bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, so we expanded our program range of this successful tool. It is up to now a very universal tool for all the strategies like ramping, drilling, slotting, finishing, high speed. So we do all the strategies with one tool, and we do it in almost all materials. And that makes the tool very interesting. A little weaker point was that the stainless materials need a real high amount of coolant to have a safe process. And so we introduced here a new internal coolant tool. And up to now it was, let's say, only available with front face side coolant for drills or radial coolant exits for the end mills. Because of the diver's capability for ramping and drilling, we give them both. So we have the axial and the radial exits. And additionally, we have not only the 4-fluid tool, we added a new 3-fluid tool for the weaker machines, for mill turn machines, longer clampings for the weaker process. Because of a 3-fluid tool, need less power consumption and less rigidity.
Does the 3-flute share the same characteristics as the 4-flute, this unique geometry?
Yeah, definitely. It's what we call unequal helix design. And we have also a special drill point, which is symmetrical. All 3 flutes meet on the center. And so we get 3 equal sizes of chips, which we can get very easy out from the drilled hole.
And have you got any new lengths in the program?
The lengths? We have on one side the DIN standard lengths, and additionally on the successful 4-fluid tool we added a shorter stub length for more rigidity. That means that customer which really need the slotting and roughing process with a shorter tool, they have on one side less in price, on the other side a higher performance.
So this is going to be of interest to all our aerospace friends, isn't it? Doing hard materials, Inconels, maybe stainless steels.
Yeah, definitely. Because of the internal coolant or through coolant, you have a better capability in the difficult to cut materials. We did this up to now also, but with the through coolant we have a much better performance. We achieve a 50% higher lifetime in stainless materials, and that gives us a more safe process, less wear, and that makes the customer more successful.
Get the chip away from the cutting edge.
That's the absolutely most important point, because it's not only the cooling in the cutting process, it's to get the chip away. And usually we also use a combination with our through coolant tool holders, because we cannot get enough coolant to the job, to the process.